What's going on, eaters and feeders? My name is Casey, and on my channel I discuss business tips and tricks, startup hacks, entrepreneur mindset, and so much more based on my experience starting and growing Florida's highest rated meal prep company from nothing. So if you want to learn more about marketing, production, purchasing, sales, software, leadership, mindset, meditation, and everything in between, I invite you to subscribe and turn on those alert notifications so you don't miss out on any of my content. I produce videos weekly, I go live sporadically, and I don't want you missing out on any of it. If you've got an idea for an episode, let me know in the comments below. While you're down there, you're also going to want to make sure you check out the links in the show notes. Those links will give you access to so many more resources than I can fit into a YouTube video. I've got free calculators that teach you how to find all sorts of stuff that you can't see in your business. I've got free software that will completely run your business. I've got free ebooks. I've got free boot camps. I've got one-on-one consulting. I've got private groups. I've got so much stuff, and you will only find it if you check out those links in the show notes and if you venture on over to mealprepbiz101.com. That's my site where I host so many more tips, tools, resources, and great stuff that will make your life easier and make your business more successful. So check out those links and check out mealprepbiz101.com. Now let's check out today's episode.
Welcome to our channel where we go behind the scenes for meal plan company Fit Food Fresh and other local businesses across South Florida. Make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts so you never miss a video, and hit us with any questions or suggestions.
This is a special type of episode. They're essentially short little clips from longer episodes, interviews, or consultations that focus on a specific term, topic, or concept, densely packed with value and information that you can immediately learn from and implement in your business's operations. If it's a clip from a longer episode that you'd like to see in its entirety, I invite you to head on over to my YouTube channel where you can see the full-length episode and the context in which this topic was discussed. And if you'd like to book a one-on-one consultation with yours truly, I invite you to head on over to mealprepbiz101.com. Find my store. You'll be able to purchase and book a one-on-one consultation so that you and I can dive into your specific issues, ideas, and problems and see what we can come up with as far as solutions, information, and better arming you to move forward with your business operations. My business partner and I know nothing about cooking. I tell people to this day, you don't want me cooking your food, I will burn water. But we, you like something at a restaurant, or you see something on another meal prep company, or you go with what people are familiar with. Whether you're trying to make vegan food or just healthier food, it's always easier to go with something familiar and then make a healthier version of that. So we would literally just look up chicken parm and then put healthy, or paleo chicken parm, or keto chicken parm. And there's a recipe out there, and then any chef worth their weight can replicate that and then also tweak the stuff they like. Be like, oh, well, they use this breading and, this didn't really bind well with it, so I'm going to switch that out for eggs, and I'm going to switch out the breading for pork rinds, and now it's keto. It's like, all right, that works. So that's what we tweak with, because there could be times. We had this one chef who was very talented. He was kind of like an academic chef, where he went from school to running his own catering company to being a teacher. So he didn't really work in regular restaurants. Yeah. And he would do these really fancy meals that like nobody knew what it was. It wasn't for the average person. Yeah. And I was like, Eric, go to Olive Garden, go to Chili's, see what normal people are eating, and make a healthier version of that. Because he would do like, oh, we're gonna do a bitter mole sauce with this, South Chilean inspired blah blah. I'm like, bro, nobody knows what that is. Give me a chicken parm. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this episode. Again, I want to stress that you need to be subscribed to both the YouTube and the podcast. So make sure you're doing that so you get the most out of the content that I'm producing. You're also going to want to make sure that you're checking out those show notes. They're going to have links to more resources, freebies, goodies, all sorts of fun stuff like that. And of course, mealprepbiz101.com. Until my next episode, I look forward to helping you grow as a business, as an entrepreneur, and as an individual.